How to add story highlights on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can add in story highlights on Facebook. So the process is very easy. Open a Facebook on your phone, and then after that simply go over to your profile and then simply click on settings and privacy, and then after that simply click on settings, and then you guys are gonna see basically all of your settings. From over here, simply come over to your profile, then click on these three dots, and then after that from over here, go over to the archive, which are the third option up top. Then simply click on story archive and simply open up any one of your story. Simply click on the top where you guys see a small heart, and then after that you guys are going to get the option to add it as a featured post, which is going to be your highlight. Simply type in whatever you want and then click on done from the top right. Then your story is going to be added as a featured story on your profile, and you guys should be able to see it over here. And as you guys can see that I can see it over here perfectly. So guys, that is how you can add a featured story on highlights. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.